Hi there, everyone. This is Keith with Merch Database. Thanks for joining us on this video. Today, this is the part 2 of the walkthrough of our dashboard for the Merch Database application. Today, we're just going to dive in briefly to the different functions that basically the second half of our dashboard offers our users. And so we'll just jump right into it here. Basically, as we continued on dashboard, the first section that we tried to highlight is the products, and here in the first column on the left here is the products that have been uploaded in the account. We find this to be a really great tool when we're really being active in your account. When you really are putting up new uploads, this will give you a great snapshot of what's being put into your account on a product by product basis. Just like the chart that we covered in our last video covering the first part of the dashboard, these charts are all dynamic. So they'll actually show you exactly what you've uploaded on a day-by-day basis. So as you can see where my mouse is here, if we look at a specific day, it'll tell us how many standard shirts, how many premium shirts, whatever product was uploaded to the account on that given day. The other neat thing is that we can actually toggle back and forth to get a little bit different view from a 7 to a 30-day chart. And as you kind of toggle back and forth, you can see what's happening in your account. With it being kind of holiday time here, you can see our account's been pretty quiet on the last 7-day basis, but we can flip back and see a little bit more action in the days prior to that 7-day look back. As we look in the right-hand column over here, you'll see that this section highlights the products refunded in the last 30 days. And that gives us an idea of what exactly is being returned, what royalties are being refunded or taken back from your account. Same thing with this. This will also break down exactly what was refunded on a product by product basis. You can see here that in our example here, these returns were all on standard t-shirts, but it gives you a nice graphical representation of the frequency with which you're seeing returns in your account. The next two columns here, the next row, is a breakdown really in what's performing best within your Merch by Amazon account. First, on the basis of today, or what's the action in today's actual session, and then what the top products are for the course of the last month, or this current month period. And you can see, what we did was obviously we've changed some of the names on the titles of the t-shirts there, but the cool thing is you can actually, right from here, these links will lead right to that live Amazon listing so that you can take a look at your listing. You can also, by using our reporting functionality, which we'll get into later, dig into the specific results of specific t-shirts and look deeper at their analytics and what's happening with those particular shirts, colors sold, product types sold, all kinds of different things. But that basically is the overview of our dashboard here at Merch Database. Again, what we've tried to do is basically provide you with a snapshot of kind of what's working for you in your account on short and longer term look backs, as well as giving you a little bit more control over what's really selling in your account, and what changes to the account are being made. This is a great tool for keeping up with, if you have, any type of VA situation, or you have multiple people who work on an account. Everybody could obviously look at the data related to what's happening to uploads, what's happening to refunds, your top performing products. So it just gives you a little bit more control over the standard Amazon dashboard. I want to thank you for following along on this video. We will be moving into the next of our video series, which is an explanation of the other functions and really the the real meat of our tool, which is the managed product functionality and the reporting functionality. So those will be in subsequent videos. Come by and check them out. Appreciate you following along. Check us out at merchdatabase.com or on Facebook at merchdatabase. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop us an email. More than happy to help in any way we can.